Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about 3 apps which I use while I learn Spanish. And the first one is, you probably know, Duolingo. It's very good if you're a beginner because it is very easy, it shows you a path. Firstly, when you sign up, there's a replacement test if you like, and then it has rewardings, it has reminders for you to do it every day, and it motivates you basically. And the second one is Memrise. It's a vocabulary app. It shows vocab, words and phrases, which you can practice easily. And what else it has? It makes sure that you learn that word with some regular repetitions so that you can have a permanent learning experience. The third one is Tandem. With Tandem, you can talk with strangers all around the world for practicing any language. The platform basically matches you with strangers, which can help you to practice what language you want to learn, and you enter your native language, you enter what languages you know, and what languages you want to learn, and then it matches you. Honestly speaking, I had too many friends, and with 5 of them I'm still in contact, who are from Mexico, Spain, Venezuela, and Greece, I guess, yeah. And they're very nice people. And you can find some nice friends for practicing. You can ask anything you like. But to be honest, it's not very good app if you're very beginner, because you can't talk or practice if you don't know any. That's all. Hope you liked it.